Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to message people on LinkedIn. First, locate and open the LinkedIn app on your device. Ensure that you are logged in with your account credentials. Next, choose the profile of the person you wish to message. Once you are on the profile, locate and tap on the message button. You might notice a prompt suggesting you try LinkedIn Premium, but since we are not interested in that, simply scroll down to see if you have any common groups with this person. If you find a mutual group, tap on it. Within the group, tap on group members to search for the person you are looking for. Use the search box to type in the name of the person you want to message. Once you have found their name, tap on it to open their profile. Finally, tap on the message button to compose and send them a message. Now, as you can see, we are available for free without premium to that exact same person. You can now type anything and tap on the send button, and your message will be sent for free. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next